on this saltwater fishing show. Fishing television with intensity.
Yeah!
Come on, you gotta pump, my man. Tighten up your drag a little bit. Remember, it was in the rod holder, so you gotta tighten your drag. Tighten your drag a little bit more. We got the kid. We got mom rooting on Pops. So what are you guys supposed to tell him right now as the fish gets closer? What are you supposed to say?
Listen to Ben.
Don't allow the Goliath grouper to eat it until we put it on the big rod.
What's Dad cooking? Well, I said listen to Ben.
Yeah, that was good. That was very good. And we got that on video. See, I'm gonna keep that one for sure. That one's gonna make it.
Got it right here.
Now get down fast, because this is when it gets all crazy. Faster, faster. Pull right, pull right, pull right, pull right, right. Go back down again. See, now they're gonna get on it. He's gonna go nuts. Come on, you gotta keep going down fast. You gotta keep his head up. Do it again. Come on. Do it again. Here it comes. Come on, go fast. Don't stop. Don't stop. Pull back right. Change his directions. They can't turn directions that quick. Look at all of them coming up. It's crazy. Don't let them get it. Now you can move. See, now you're down. Now you can move them when they try to bite it. Yeah, that is awesome. Great. Now you can move it fast enough so they don't eat it. Don't stop. All right, pull back. Right. No, reel back down. No, reel.
Gotta get up.
Come on.
No, flip over.
Oh, pull back. Reel back down. Pull. Come on, girl. Get it. Pull back. Left. No. Flip. Now get it. Oh, shit, we almost lost her. Flip your bail. Flip.
Oh.
Stop. But get it. You gotta get back up. Come on, for me. Hold up. Stop for a second. All right, hold up. We're losing her. Oh, watch out. Oh, we're losing. We got calamities going. All right, we're back. We had a little bit of calamity going on. The Goliaths were killing her, but she's back on. No slack on the way down. Gotta get that technique right. All right, back down. She's breathing hard.
So Calvin, when it gets close, right? That's when you do.
It's gonna get crazy here in a minute, and she knows that secretly she's worried, but she don't know what to do. All right, come on. Now reel down. There you go. Good job.
Go all the way down. There you go.
Come on. There you go. Fast. Now look, when you get up, reel down faster, then you drop your rod tip, okay? All right, go down fast.
Okay, ready?
All right, now we're gonna switch over. We're gonna get close. All right. There you go. Reel down fast. Now stop. Reel down fast. You got to drop your rod tip about the same speed that you reel. All right, run towards the back. You're about to lose it now. Run to the back. Run to the back. Now you got to reel down. They're gonna try to eat it.
Is that the needle?
Okay, you run this way. Come on. All right, reel back down. Here he comes. You better watch out. He's coming to get it. He's gonna get it. There's two of them coming to get it. Come on now. He's gonna get your bait.
Put your rod down like you were telling me.
Yeah, reel down a little bit. Reel down. We're almost there.
Come on a little bit.
So, look. No problem, right?
No.
Just brush that dirt off your shoulder.
Okay.
All right, we'll get her in. Good job. You made it.
Yay!
Ah, nice.
Oh.
We got it. She got it. Although we got big fish behind us, and look how crazy it's getting right now.
Oh my God! Look at that big one.
Oh, that's a huge one.
Not one back.
Wow. Wow. All right, Aaron. We need this one. That'll give us two big bait, and we got one hanging over the back. Keep them Goliath grouper from eating it. We got us a spectator sport here. They're coming up there waiting on you. And we got bull sharks around.
I know.
When they're up high like that, that's meaning when you got to go real hard on them. Run to the front. Hey, you guys got to close that. And you got to run towards the front. All right, hey, you guys can go up top now. I want you to see what's going on, so go up top.
Go very careful. Wesley.
Up top here.
Wow.
Oh, you don't have to. You can stay down. All right, now you can get good shots. You can see everything as this fish comes up. You can see what's following him, how cool it is. All right, he's coming at you. Run, 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 run. He's coming behind you. Run, 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 run. Get it down, get down, get down. Get down, get down, get down. Oh boy. This is the hard part. Here they come. You got to get back down on them. Here they come. Go to the other side. Go to the other side with it. This is where they do sneak attacks. And we don't want them to do a sneak attack right now. Hold up. Watch out. Look at them all. Did a good job again. We got it. And that's our last sardine. So it's even more important. All right. You ready for a beast?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready? You sure?
I think I need a sandwich, but I'm ready.
Okay. There's that giant. Oh, yeah, just keep moving. Don't let it go still, because we don't want to get... Man, this video is crazy. Can you guys believe those fish are like, you know, that's kind of like our dinosaurs. If I was back in the dinosaur time, that would kind of be, I would feel kind of like that bonita. And the way those bull sharks and Goliath grouper and all those fish are down there absolutely going crazy. You know, my charter clients for this trip, they thought this was amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this Chew on This saltwater fishing show. We had one heck of a time filming this one. It was great. And be sure to check out the Salt Life channel, you guys. You can check it out in the description below. And also, I'm really interested to see if anybody can get a guess at how many fish are on there and if they can name all the fish in the video. It would be awesome. I mean, cool. Can you do it? It's up to you guys. Hey, Godspeed, and we'll see you next episode.